Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 1000 Days No Code Challenge. It's time to address the elephant in the room. No, not that. Haha. We are talking about the visual elements in Bubble. But before we get started, let me tell you something. Did you know an average human takes just about 50 milliseconds to make an impression on your app's design? That's all it takes to win their trust or completely break the entire budget and hard work that you're putting. Crazy, right? That's why today we are looking into the basic elements. Simple yet very crucial elements like text, button, image uploader, and so on. So these elements form the core of your app. These are the building blocks that make your app look sharp and professional. So let's get started. So let's start with visual elements. Do you remember using Paint when you were a child? You could drag and drop boxes with color changes, right? You can drag and drop the text elements, change the font properties, right? You could change the font style. You could also change the font size, make it bold, italic, underlined, right? Whatever you want, you could do. Also adjust whether it should be left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. Okay. Now, if you have used Paint, then what we are going to cover today is going to be very, very simple for you. For those of you who have not used Paint, do not worry, it's just drag and drop. So let's see how to use visual elements on Bubble. Now this is called Canvas, where you can drag and drop any elements. This is meant for your users to see and interact with your app. Now, these are the visual elements. We are going to cover some of the basic visual elements today. So, text element, drag it and drop it wherever you want. And let's say, hello, ABCD members, right? I'll just increase this so that we can see the entire text. Now, let's see if this is visible on the front end. Just click on preview and the page loads. If you share this link with your audience, then they will be able to see this for themselves. Now this is a text element that we covered. Let's go to the button element. Right, I'll just expand this. Now you can see, click here. Click here. Right, we'll come to this workflows a bit later. You can ignore it for now. Then we have icon. Now you can select whatever icon you need. Okay, it could be for showing Wi-Fi signal, or it could be exit, right? It could be open. Any icon that you may need in your application. Okay. Link, we will skip it for now. Let's go to image. I'm adding the image over here. Now you can upload any image from your system from here, or you can say search for free images, right? And you can search for any free images which is available from Pixels. I'll select this for now. And that's shown on the screen. We'll skip shape alert for now. Let's look at the video element. You can add either YouTube video or Vimeo video. Let me show you YouTube. By the way, I'm going to take one of the videos from our own channel and add it over here. You would also try it from Vimeo if you have a Vimeo account. And we have HTML map and a couple of other elements that we have not covered for today. That's fine. So play around with these elements, and tomorrow we are going to cover something called input fonts. Okay, these are the elements which your users will use to interact with your app. And there you go. you have learned the most basic elements of building an app. They might seem basic, but these are the most powerful elements that you have to use in any application. With this in place, you've already started shaping your app. Tomorrow, we will level up by exploring some interactive element that's needed for your app. And hey, don't forget to share your progress on social platforms. This way, you will be able to track how much you have progressed from day 1 to day 100 and then decide whether you want to continue this journey. And also, you might inspire someone else via your journey. So keep building, keep learning. Above all, stay curious. See you tomorrow